Okay, here's a real test. We're driving home from work. I really want to see what this camera's got. Kind of bought it for a riding camera. It's only 20 bucks on eBay. I don't expect that much quality. I'll turn the radio down. I don't really expect the quality to be that great. It's only like 720 by 480, 1.3 megapixels, I think. But just getting a cheapo for now. I'm gonna see how well I like doing the camera while riding. And I'm going up this weekend. Today's Monday, so we're going Saturday to a ride-in park. We do trail rides. And we both ride four-wheelers, me and my dad. He has a 2000 Polaris Trail Boss 325 we just fixed. We had a no spark issue for a while. I have a 91 Honda TRX 250X I paid 450 bucks for. All I've had to do was put a spark plug in it. I didn't even really have to do that. It ran great when I got it. Just did that so I was sure it hadn't had one in a while. Hopefully you're seeing this. Hopefully you're seeing the road straight and what's going on. Because you can't you have no idea what angle you're pointing this stupid thing at. I'm considering getting a GoPro Hero camera. Those are about a couple $100. You know, and plus I don't know if I like them. They're actually the shape of the camera, an actual digital camera. They're kind of stupid looking in my opinion. I have my helmet I just got, I bought it used off eBay. A nice Answer Rockstar 2011 model helmet. The guy I bought it from, he had installed a GoPro mount on top of it. He said on the ad that they used to use the GoPro camera, so I thought I'd message him. Just wondering how he liked that camera. He said he liked it. It's light enough, you don't really feel it on your head, over the helmet. So, I don't know, I might get one. I've either been looking at a GoPro Hero camera, probably a GoPro Hero 2 for the 1080p feature, or a replay action cam, which is kind of a bullet style camera that's also 1080p. They're both about the same price, 200 bucks. I'm just kind of thinking I might like the replay one better. I don't know, I'll let you know. I'll make a video of it when I do get it. If I do, it'll probably be, within the next couple weeks or so. Unless I find one for cheaper on Craigslist or something. Anyways, we finally made it. I hope this thing turns out better quality than I'm believing it will. I guess we'll see here in a few when I hook it up to the laptop and see what kind of quality it just put out. Alright guys,